this nomenclature above 100 of atomic numbers, the naming of these new elements has been traditionally the privilege of the discoverer, that means who discovered. After his or their names, the new elements are being named, and the suggested name was ratified by the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, IUPAC. But in recent years, this has led to some controversy, because with the discovery of new elements, synthetic elements, this problem is arising because number of discoverer is claiming on it. These new elements with very high atomic numbers are so unstable that only minute quantities and sometimes only a few atoms of them are obtained. And this synthesis of these new elements need very highly sophisticated laboratory with highly sophisticated costly equipment. And this type of work, that means synthesis of new elements, was carried out in some laboratories in the world. Scientists, before collecting the reliable data on the new elements, at the time get tempted to claim for its discovery. That means scientists, before getting the reliable data, they claim that they discover these new elements. For example, the American and Soviet scientists claim credit for discovery of the elements having atomic number 104. And Americans named this as Rutherfordium, whereas Soviet name is the Kurchatovium. So this type of claiming from different scientists is having, so there is the problem how to name this type of elements which are discovered. So to avoid such problems, the IUPAC has made recommendation that until a new element discovery is proved and its name is officially recognized, a systematic nomenclature be derived directly from the atomic number of the elements using the numerical roots from 0 and numbers 1 to 9. And in this table, you can see that digit 0 and its name is NIL, nil, and abbreviation is N. And in that way, the digit is 1 means it is UN, and in abbreviation is U in small letters. The roots are put together in order of digits. So in order of digits, the naming and abbreviation will be put as per the recommendation of IUPAC. So how it will be named? That new element first get a temporary name with symbol consisting of 3 letters. 3 letters here you see NIL for the first case, which this is the 0. And later permanent name and symbols are given by a vote of IUPAC representatives from each country. And this is a systematic approach from the IUPAC to create a name for new element discovered. And the permanent name might reflect the country or the state of the country in which the element was discovered or pay tribute to a notable scientist. As of now, the elements with atomic numbers up to 118 have been discovered, and official names of all elements have been announced by IUPAC. And you can see here the nomenclature of elements with atomic numbers above 100. So when the atomic number is 101, then the name, as per the naming recommendation by the IUPAC, it is the anil anium, and symbol is UNU. IUPAC official name Mendelevium. That means this naming is tribute to the scientist Mendeleev, who discovered the periodic table. First it discovered, after that it modified. It explained in the previous class. And its IUPAC symbol is MD, capital letter M, small letter D. So in this way, when the atomic number is 102, that name also you see the UN, UN for the 1, nil, 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 nil for 0, and 2 by, and last you have to put UM, and its symbol is UNB. And now it is IUPAC's official name is Nobelinium, and IUPAC symbol is NO. So in same way, all elements having atomic number from 101 to till now discovered element with atomic number 118 are named very clearly by the IUPAC system.